Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate templates about certain topics using Canva with this feature. So in here, you can just open your Canva. You can open it on your mobile or computer like this. And then you can just start by searching or typing the topics that you want to find. You can use up to five or more words to describe the design. So, for example, I'm going to just find Instagram story about hair salon business, for example. Here you can just click on enter and wait until the templates show up. And you can see here this is the new magic design template that you can use, or you can also just use the current existing template from Canva. Okay, so let's say I'm going to use this one. So you can also change or filter it. You can change based on your brand. For example, you have your brand style. You can just click on this and click on see result and wait for Canva to regenerate again the result on the magic design based on your brand style. You can see it now changes like this, the color and also the text. And if you want to use it, you can just click on one of the design and click on customize this template. So now the design is open, and here if you want to, you can make some changes in this. You can change the photo, for example, to your photo, or if you want to just leave it as it is, you can just directly save it the design. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.